going on, everybody? It's Riley from 92 Social. Welcome to the YouTube page. This is where we teach you everything that you need to know about social media. Today we are talking about Twitter Spaces. I know that's ironic with Elon Musk coming around and shaking things up and the uncertainty of Twitter, but for the time being, Twitter Spaces have been introduced, I want to say over a year ago, and everyone is using it. It is like a clubhouse kind of vibe to it. So I want to teach you how to use Twitter Spaces. So let's get to it. All right, so now you have to log into your Twitter account, which I already have pulled up. This is my personal one. Hey, how are ya? So right now we are on the feed. Canada Soccer is about to play in a few hours when the recorded time is. But anyways, we're on the feed. Let's scroll for a bit. Okay, so now we decided, hey, let's go to the Twitter Spaces. So you go to the lower menu in the middle where it looks like it's like a mic. So you hit that. See what's happening. So this is another feed that you can scroll through and pick and choose. We can set reminders. So right now there's a live. So let me start listening. Got it.
Which I can still see him. I don't know if you guys can.
All right. So this is a random space room, but just to kind of give you a heads up on what it looks like. So let's hit up the leave. Now let's create our own Twitter space. So you go to the lower right, again, where the mic is, and it has a little plus sign. Now we are like, welcome to Twitter Spaces. Add up to 10 speakers, X, Y, and Z. You can read it. Hit the got it. All right, so yes. So what do you want to talk about? So let's circle this into the workshop. Let's title that. So social media workshop. Add topics. So it's kind of like an SEO kind of vibe to it. So most popular, kind of scroll through. So let's see technology. Would that be Facebook, Twitter? Yes, there's Instagram. Okay, so let's select 3: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Record space. This is really interesting, where you could actually record it and maybe repost it on your socials. That's a really good content piece for your socials. So now everything is all ready to go. You can also, remember when we just logged into Twitter Spaces, you saw the scheduled Twitter Spaces. We can do that right now, but hey, let's start one right now. So we are recording live right now. Okay, so get more people. You can share it. Right now it's recorded, so the mic is off. I'm going to turn that on, and we are live. We are live with a social media workshop presented by 92 Social. That's happened to be on the Riley M. Welch Twitter page. Let's go through this. What can we do? As you can see, it's a social media workshop. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let's go through. Oh, wow. We can do some emojis. We can add people as co-host, speakers, and we can also see the listeners as well. And can we cut? What does this mean? You can clip a moment. Again, great for social media. But that's essentially what Twitter Spaces is. It's a platform within Twitter that you can share your insights verbally rather than just tweeting them out. And this is an easier and great way to promote your Twitter page and promote your business. So that is awesome, awesome stuff. I want to hit end. Yes. And there we go. And that's really what Twitter Spaces is all about. So it's a great spot to grow your business and grow your profile on Twitter. Did you know about this trick? Did you know about this platform feature on Twitter? Let me know in the comments below. Are you going to try this? If so, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, Riley at 92social.ca. Remember, grow the 92 Social community. We'll love to hear from you, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys.